Hi there and welcome to Titan. Today we're very excited to show you the newest member of the Titan family, Titan Sign for Salesforce. This is the best way to send documents from Salesforce to whoever you need to send it to, whether it's a person in Salesforce, whether it's a person out of Salesforce, and allow your reps, your business users to be able to just stay inside the CRM when they need to send out their documents. So let's get started. So what we're going to see today is an opportunity in Salesforce, and from this opportunity, I want to trigger a signing process. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the Titan Sign Wizard. And this wizard can be embedded anywhere inside of your Salesforce environment. Right now, it's a Lightning Web Component, but it can be really anything that you want it to be. So we're going to choose a file. We could choose that file from Salesforce. So we're actually looking up to the different files in my Salesforce environment, and I can choose that file from there. I can also choose files from my computer. So I can upload a file from the computer. You can see this one is a Word document. This one's a PDF. It doesn't matter. They're going to merge together. So now let's take recipients. I want to get a recipient from a Salesforce record. So I'm putting in here an email address to look up to that person. There they are, Jack Rogers. And I want to go ahead and have an external recipient as well who's not in my Salesforce. So here I'm not having to create some sort of record in Salesforce. I don't have to create a new contact. There it is. Now they can send it, they can sign it, they can review it, they can CC it, whatever we want. We can switch the order around. We can do all sorts of different things here. So I'm going to go to the next step. The next step is configuring the document. So now what you see here is it actually merged those two documents together. Really easy. I didn't have to do anything there. And as you can remember, one was a Word document, one was a PDF. Doesn't matter. I put my first signature there for my first signee. I'm going to go ahead to the second page here. I'm going to put the second signee signature in. Click next. Now we can decide if we want to do any additional settings. In this case, we don't. We can decide where we want it to relate to. For now, I'm just going to relate it back to that opportunity and click send. It's that easy. Now the document is being sent out. Okay, so here's the document. Now it's in my email. And as you can see, this is a document. You can brand it however you'd like. And it's really simple asking, hey, we need you to sign this document. So now I open up the document. I go there and I click my signature, sign now. Go ahead. That signature was automatically generated. Finish sign. And now we will get a second email for the second signing. Here's the second email. And we're going to go ahead and click that. And as you'll see here now, the first signee, the signature is there. The second signee is going to go ahead and sign right here. So I'm going to click finish sign. Now everything is going to be reportable in Salesforce. So now let's go back to Salesforce and see how it looks. So the first thing we can see, if I go back to my opportunity in Salesforce that we did this from, is that now we have that contract is in the notes and attachments as a file in Salesforce. We also get a tracking log that says who signed it, when they signed it, gives you all of the data that you need to make sure you own this process and you have all the data necessary. And we also now have a dashboard where we can see how many people have signed documents, what kind of signing has happened here, has anything been voided. Whatever you need to be able to report on, we have it here. So this is a way for you to sign documents from within Salesforce, send those documents out, and not have to worry about creating new records, not worry about doing extra configuration, being able to sign things quickly, send them out quickly to get signed, speed up your deal process, and streamline your processes. Thanks a lot for watching, and stay tuned for more.